The Samsung Galaxy S22 series first look has come in the shape of dummy units. So guys, we've been hearing a lot about the S23 series, specifically the S23 Ultra, and based on those leaks and rumors, they've verified every single information of the S23 Ultra gadget. Now, leaks of the Galaxy S23 series in the shape of dummy units have found their way into the wild, giving us a taste of what the company's next traditional flagship may look like. Previously, printers suggested that the S23 and S23 Plus will feature the same floating camera array as the S23 Ultra, and today's leak confirms that. Although it is worth noting that the camera specs for all three smartphones will vary. Moving on to the S23 Ultra dummy models, we see a phone that appears similar to its predecessor, but with some tiny modifications, like as a flatter side and somewhat higher, broader, but thinner dimensions. It also seems to have narrower bezels, and rumors have suggested that the regular and Plus models have significantly more rounded corners than their 2022 counterparts, as well as being slightly taller. Finally, we saw some images of the S23 Ultra, 23 Plus, and S23. The 6.8-inch Galaxy S23 Ultra is noticeably larger than the 6.5-inch Galaxy S23 Plus and 6.1-inch Galaxy S23, and it also has a slot for the Aspen stylus. The Ultra model is more boxy in appearance, whilst the other two models are more rounded. Overall, the look isn't a major departure from the previous line, and larger modifications are planned on the interior. One of the most intriguing rumors is that Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be much quicker than the processor that drives the current series, perhaps making the Galaxy S23 phones as fast as the iPhone 14, which is a fairly similar stuff. This gives the S23 model a fighting chance to be the greatest phone in 2023. Aside from that, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is extremely expected to arrive with a 200-megapixel camera sensor, giving it a hardware advantage over its primary competition, and the sample implies it will shoot fantastic detailed shots. As for the S23 and S23 Plus, they are expected to feature larger batteries under the hood. All models are also expected to get a new front-facing camera that will claim to be superior in 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Samsung is likely to unveil the Galaxy S23 series in the first week of February, with the event taking place in San Francisco. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.